first thing they say is this Lagos?
Being here, you've been younger every day. You won't even know that.
This is the Lagos we are used to, a city that never sleeps. A city that roars. From the blaring horns of downfall buses to the unrelenting call of street vendors, Lagos is a city of relentless energy, vibrant, dynamic, yet exhausting. For millions, this is the daily reality. The endless gridlocks, the ceaseless noise, the struggle for space, peace, and sanity. But on the flip side, imagine a different Lagos.
You're welcome to Lakwan Lakes Golf and Country Estate.
Lagos that breathes. A Lagos designed for serenity and progress. Welcome to Lagos New Town.